Hi everyone, welcome back to What is Strengths? Diving into the superpowers of CliftonStrengths. I'm Khanh, your guide on this incredible journey of self-discovery. Today we're diving deep into adaptability, the art of thriving on change and making the most of the present moment. If you're someone who loves when plans pivot in exciting new directions, you're going to enjoy exploring this theme with us. Imagine your water effortlessly flowing over rocks and finding new paths. That's the essence of adaptability. It's about being present, flexible, and ready for whatever life throws your way, turning surprises into opportunities to shine. Adaptability is like being a jazz musician, improvising beautiful melodies in the moment. It's about embracing spontaneousness, being the calm in any storm, and inspiring those around you with your ability to navigate changes with ease and confidence. For those who lead with adaptability, here's how you can further harness this incredible strength. Be the calm. Your ability to remain unfazed is a beacon of hope for others. Show them the way through high-pressure times. Embrace the moment. Teach others the beauty of being spontaneous and the power of living in the now. Flexible roles. Seek environments that celebrate your adaptability. Steer clear of places that box you in with too many rules. Collaborate with planners. Your skill in handling day-to-day changes complements those who focus on the future. Together, you create a dynamic team. Not everyone has adaptability as a top strength, and that's completely fine. Here's how you can still embrace change. Reset and plan. When plans change, take a moment to reset your priorities. A new plan might just lead to unexpected successes. Focus on outcomes. Let go of how you get there and keep your eyes on the prize. The path might change, but the destination remains constant. Reflect on the why. Changes make more sense when you understand the big picture. Use this to guide your adaptation. Adaptability keeps us agile in our ever-evolving world, whether leading with it or learning to embrace it. Understanding these strengths open doors to resilience and success. How does adaptability show up in your life? Share your experiences and how you navigate change in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into unlocking your strengths. Thank you for joining me today to explore the fluid and responsive world of adaptability. It's a strength that celebrates the present, embraces change, and turns the unexpected into opportunities for growth. Your ability to navigate life changes with ease is truly a superpower in our fast-paced world. But our journey through the fascinating world of CliftonStrengths doesn't end here. Next time, we're going to unlock the secrets of the strategic theme. For those who naturally spot patterns, foresee potential obstacles, and create clear paths to the future, the strategic theme will resonate deeply with you. It's all about thinking several steps ahead and navigating through complexities with confidence and clarity. So if you're curious about how to leverage your foresight and planning abilities, or simply want to discover more about the strategic mind, you won't want to miss episode. Join us as we dive into the world of strategic thinking and how it empowers us to make informed decisions and lead with vision. I'm Khanh, and this has been What is Strengths? Diving into the superpowers of CliftonStrengths. Remember, every strength is a piece of the puzzle that makes you unique, and together they shape your path to success. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more strengths-based discoveries. Until next time, keep embracing your adaptability and get ready to explore the strategic pathways that lead to achieving your goals.